Hello and welcome. Today we'll learn about creating Client Portal menu items. Menu items define the content that can be added to a menu. They are created independently of the menus they belong to, meaning any changes made to a menu item will automatically update all menus that reference it. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating menu items. Creating menu items is simple. Just go to Portal, then click Menu System, then choose Menu Items and then click New Menu Item. On the Create Menu Item page, you'll see several fields and options. The most basic ones are the name and icon for the menu item. Start by entering the display name for the menu item, then choose an icon to represent it. When selecting an icon, you'll see a range of options. If you can't find the icon you're looking for, you can search for a specific icon from the Material Design icon set. After specifying the menu name and icon, the next step is to choose the type of menu item you want to create. First type is Extension Menu. This option allows you to embed a static or dynamic website within the portal by simply providing the URL of the external site. Among the available menu item types, this is the most flexible and powerful, as it enables you to integrate a wide range of external extensions and functionality into the client portal. Next is Connect Booster Menu. This menu item lets you embed the Connect Booster platform for invoicing and payments directly into the portal. Simply enter the URL for your Connect Booster site to set it up. Next is OneNote Notebook Menu. This menu item allows you to embed a OneNote notebook into the portal. You can select from existing OneNote notebooks, or, if you haven't created one yet, you can easily do so from within the Desk Director portal. The last is Bigger Brains Menu. This menu item lets your customers access all the courses for a specific Bigger Brains product within the portal. You can choose which Bigger Brains product to display in the menu. Note that Bigger Brains products are premium add-ons, so you'll need to purchase them before they can be used. Thank you for watching our guide to help you create client portal menu items in Desk Director. See you next time.